Hi guys, today we'll be doing a tail chop on the 2020 BMW R 1250 RS. So this thing is going away. We're going with the Evotech tie detail setup, so let's get started. Alright, first step is remove both of the seats and take the sides cover off. Do that. Now that the side panels are removed, we can proceed on to moving the factory luggage frame. So it uses 4 T40 screws. Definitely start to come off as soon as these go. So I would suggest to keep one bolt in place on the top too. That way. And these bolts are different length. The ones from the bottom are longer. So just make a note about yourself. Alright, so next we need to remove this bolt right here and these two bolts. So this is the cover that's supposed to come off. And reach behind it. Alright, so before we can take the plate off, these two screws need to be removed as well. They were not included in instructions, but I guess. Alright, so that piece comes right off as soon as you remove those top screws. Alright, so there's some zip ties that we need to undo first very carefully, and then we can expose the wires and try to unclip them. Alright, that's one of the clips. Alright, so the clips are out. Next we need to remove the light. There's this C-clip here, if you can see. Pull that up and then it should slide out straight towards the back. That's that C-clip I was talking about. So at this point, the light should just slide out. Alright, and there's a washer, so just watch out for that. Quickly show you. The light is positioned or situated in these three rubber grommets. So you see those 1, 2, 3 nubs right there, those 3 rubber grommets. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to unclip the light. Alright, so quick note, we need to disconnect the tail light, not the tail light, it's the license plate illumination light from right here. So you pull this out from under it and just guide it back in through. You don't have to unplug any of these connectors. So at this point, we're ready for the main event. So these 2 screws, 3 screws right here, and these 2 will allow us to take the tail section off completely. And there you go. Be careful at this time, just to make sure the last screw when it comes off, not drop it. Alright, now we need to undo the turn signals. quick note, I believe we need to also remove the license plate light housing as well. Just one screw. This comes right off, situated right here. Alright, so an important step here is to guide the license plate light through the bracket before mounting it. So now we need to take these two screws off of the housing for the light and attach them to the bracket like this. You can see that we need to position the light in first and put the two brackets together and then see if we can figure out a way to work on these screws. Alright, so that's done. Next we're going to insert the rubber components. So we need to use a supply wire ties to secure them like so and feed them to the slot like this. So we need to attach these two brackets together using these two M6 screws and guide the wires through this channel. I ended up putting some Loctite on it just to keep things safe. Next we need to slide in the light. Alright. Same 3 grounds and putting the C-clip back in. The wire is going to be fed up above this ridge right here. And next we need to plug in all the connectors. Now we're ready to install this trim piece at the bottom using little screws and nuts. Alright, this is the final look of the bike. Tail chopped off. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys.